Yesterday, Google took a stand against the countless Pixel 9 Pro leaks going on right now by giving us our first official glimpse at the phone. But that wasn't the only phone Google unveiled, and a teaser for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold was released soon after, revealing the revamped design and confirming the name change. If you haven't paid much attention to rumors, this may come as something of a surprise. But for the past couple of months, word on the street has been that Google would be ditching the name Pixel Fold 2 in favor of something more in line with its flagship non-folding phones. Personally, I think Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a mouthful, and I know I'm not alone in that assessment, but it is what it is. So, hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy. Do subscribe now. We don't get to see the whole Pixel 9 Pro Fold in this teaser, but there are a number of design changes I can spot in its limited screen time. The phone actually looks a little narrower than the original Pixel Fold, which was notable for its shorter and wider design. But this time we may end up with a look closer to the OM Plus Open, and recent leaks seem to support this. Which is a shame, because one of the things we noted in our original Pixel Fold review was that the wider design was a lot less claustrophobic than the likes of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. Other points of note include what seem to be thinner bezels on the interior and cover displays. That's a very welcome change, since that was one of the things we didn't like about the Pixel Fold. Well, that and all other flat-screen Pixel's phones, which generally have very chunky bezels. The rear camera array has also ditched the elongated camera bar in favor of a more swirly-ish design. If you look closely, you can also see that there appear to be 4 camera lenses this year, compared to the Pixel Fold's 3. Sadly, the rumors haven't been very revealing about what camera hardware to expect, so there's no telling what this 4th lens might be. Hopefully something useful, and not a low-resolution macro camera. The teaser also confirms that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be unveiled on August 13, alongside the Pixel 9 Pro at the Made by Google event. No doubt they'll be joined by the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So we don't have long to wait before we find out everything there is to know about all 4 phones. What features or design changes are you most excited about for the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and how do you think these will impact your smartphone experience compared to previous Pixel models? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.